Is your AI bluffing you? If you ask AI to draft a petition and just hit send, you aren't being efficient. You're being dangerous. In 2026, AI hallucinations are real. It can invent cases, change facts, and lead to your license being canceled by a judge who knows you tried to bluff the court. History is brutal to those who don't evolve. Today, Advocate Ravi Kumar explains why you must move beyond basic zero-shot prompts and start prompt chaining. Think of AI like a wild horse. If you don't learn to hold the reins, it will throw you off. But if you master the workflow, you can sit back, enjoy your coffee, and let the technology do the heavy lifting safely. Learn the chain of thought before your reputation is wiped out. Let's ride.
We are doing crime to our own family because we are not putting our efforts and keeping pace with the evolution that is taking place. So if you don't evolve, no species has survived in this world. Millions of years of Earth age. If you go through, those evolution learning process, you will learn that those who didn't fight, those who do not adapt, they are wiped out. So the time has come not to get wiped out, my friends, but to develop a workflow from zero shot prompting to few shot prompting to chain thought prompting to prompt chaining. Why I am using these words? Let me give you basic of it before I come to conclusion and ask you some questions. Zero shot prompting is direct task. You just go and tell your AI to do this task. No examples are given. You just say, I need this, and AI does things for you, which mostly people do. But if you do few short prompting, you provide some example to your AI that I want this kind of thing to be done. That is called few short prompting. If you want little more better results, consistency, you give a structure command. You structure your prompt. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. And that reduces the task and repetitions. You get less frustrations because even in AI, you have to do experiments time and again to get desired results. But if your frequency of thought is not expressed in the prompt, AI will not understand you. So the moment AI starts understanding you and you start riding on them like a horse rider. I mean, when you learn horse riding, this happens, with everybody. You get tired. You fail. At times, horse also, pushes you. But slowly and slowly with practice, when you start learning to control your horse, you enjoy the riding. So this is what it is, this AI thing is happening. You don't have to be disheartened. You just need to be smart enough. And the last one is prompt chaining. And that is you create, one step, get result, and tell AI to follow that result. And after one result, they follow second result. The output is again becomes input for AI. So if you are able to do that, a chain of commands is executed by AI in one go. You just need to be sitting idle and take coffee, enjoy your time. The distress or stress that you used to have because of chunking is no more there. More results, more options you have, more opportunities are created. You integrate data privacy in your system. You learn how to control hallucination of AI. Because, for example, in legal field, when they draft some petition to be presented in the court, AI gives you tell them to prepare one. AI, does the research. It gives you some examples of cases, let's say 5 cases. And out of those 5, they will put one case which never existed. And if you don't know how to control that error, you will be facing problems inside the court when judge knows that you have tried to bluff him and you are fined, your reputation is at stake. Your license can be cancelled.
Share your thoughts below, hype the video, and subscribe to KanoonPlus. Hope to see you again in the next video. To inform you, I am an AI assistant for Advocate Ravi Kumar and KanoonPlus.